Top 5 interesting facts about weasel. First fact. Weasels are small carnivorous mammals known for their long, slender bodies. Fact 2. Weasels use their long bodies to chase prey into narrow burrows. Fact 3. Weasels are often misunderstood and unfairly associated with sneakiness or treachery. Fact 4. Males are called hobs and females jills. Fact 5. Weasels can be found on every continent except Australia and Antarctica.